Hi guys, and welcome back to class. In this lesson we're going to be discussing how to enhance dialogue clarity. In our last class we discussed audio cleanup and noise reduction, but in this lesson I'll be taking you through how you can enhance the quality of dialogue speeches in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump right in. So we're going to be using the project file in the enhanced dialogue clarity project files. So if you do not have them, you can visit that folder so we can be on the same page. Or if you have similar audio that contains two individuals or one individual speaking, you can also use that to get along in this lesson. So first things first, I'll be dragging my audio into my timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro, and right in Adobe Premiere Pro I'm going to be working more with the essential sound panel, or I'll be working more with the audio workspace. So but for this lesson I'm going to be working with the essential sound panel, which is right here. So when I select this clip, I have other buttons activated for me to use. So to enhance dialogue clarity in Adobe Premiere Pro, well, Adobe Premiere Pro can actually help you to do this automatically using the AI mode, which you need to connect to the internet and use. Or rather still, you could actually now work around every other thing. So I'll be explaining how every other thing works and how well you can work with this. So let's start.
President Gibson, Mr. Vice President. Yep.
So there's a little bit of noise, or there's a little bit of rumble from the crowd, which we are going to be cleaning up. But first things first is we need to work on the clarity. Clarity is how clean your audio sounds. So I'll be switching this dynamics on so it can work with the clarity. So let's listen and play.
Congressman Thomas, Senator Wiley, Congressman Miller, Mr. Webb.
So I'm going to be increasing this as well.
Scientists, distinguished guests, and ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate your president.
This actually begins to sound more clean. One of the things I'll also be doing is to increase the clip volume so it's louder a little bit.
Having made me an honorary visiting professor, and I will assure you.
Okay, so for the dialogue style, you can actually choose what kind of style it is, whether you are listening or you want to make it listen from a TV or where that particular dialogue is coming up. So if I click on this is a preset that works well, and we can actually change the parameters in the effects control panel, but we're not going to be changing the parameters. We're going to be coming to repair, and you see everything has been set, and let's play this and see how it sounds.
My first lecture will be very brief.
It actually sounds clean, but it sounds lower than what we have before. So I will also be working with the clip volume again to increase this and listen to it again.
Delighted to be here, and I'm particularly delighted to be here on this occasion. We meet at a college noted for knowledge.
So now this is absolutely clean, and you can work with this. So that is how to actually enhance dialogue clarity in Adobe Premiere Pro. So bye for now. See you in the next lesson.